Now here I have one fundamental question, that initially I have provided this braces, then why I need to provide another square braces when I'm creating set using this function. So now let me explain you this. When you are writing s2 is equal to set of into the square bracket 1 2 3, you are calling the set creator function. So set into the braces is a function, and function in Python uses parenthesis. So basically when you write a set and two braces, you are actually calling set function. And then why two square brackets and then 1 2 3? So when you write set and two braces, that expects some iterables input inside it. And what could be the iterable input? That could be either list, tuple, string, range, or anything else. So if you want to represent list, you write 1 2 3 in square brackets. And if you want to represent anything else, you use something else. And what if I do not write this braces? What will happen? Let me show you. Now here s2 is equal to this what we have written. But now what I am doing, I am removing these two square braces. And now let's execute this thing, and it is going to show me an error. But instead of this, if I write like this, it is not going to show me an error, and actually it's going to store this as set. And here we have stored this value as a list. Now what if you don't want to store this as a list? Let's say you want to store this as tuple. Then what are you supposed to do? If you want to store this as tuple, you're supposed to write, or you're supposed to make another two braces like this, and then you execute this thing, and this will store this as tuple. And what if you want to store this as string, right? So let's say if I want to store something as string, let's say I want to write subscribe to learning vibes and go, and this will store the string as set. Here repeated values would not be stored multiple times, right? Here n is multiple times, right? I is multiple times. Let's open this and see. Here n is only once, I is only once. So this is how you can store string into set.